we made it to Orlando. I am so tired. I got less than 3 hours of sleep last night. And I mean less than. So we're here and we're here early. So we're about to go to a restaurant and get something to eat. Because we're hungry. What time is it? Oh, it's 11:50. We got here about 10, but then we had to get a rental car and all that stuff. So we're about to go into Sonny's Barbecue. I don't know, my husband know this place. And get something to eat. Our check-in time isn't until 4, and we're debating if we should pay the extra $30 to check in early. We'll see how that goes. Let's go. Thank you. All right, y'all. So we finally got checked into our resort. It's like a 1-bedroom suite, y'all. I forgot to give y'all a room tour. So, and then we went outside to check out how the pool and everything looked. And they had a game room and then a laundry. So that's what
how does it work?
You're seeing here. Yeah, we was really excited about being able to go to the pool. So we wanted to check it out. And this is after we came back from breakfast, lunch, but lunch. I guess it was lunch. It's by the time we got off the plane, it's lunchtime. So yeah, we're just checking everything out before we actually go into our room and get changed for the rest of the day.
Still cold. It's still cold. But you gotta pay for this.
Yeah, look at that.
They got oh my God.
Yeah, they got fat and pure, but I'm sure I got fat and pure, so I get mommy.
This is my childhood right here.
Mommy, I think it's
From the boys club.
Mommy, you got right there. Hold on.
And that's why you'll never drive my car. How much is it? How much is it? We ended up going to Cheesecake Factory for dinner that night. The reason we went to Cheesecake Factory is because Mackenzie saw that viral TikTok going around about where not to take girls on their first date. And she was looking at the menu. She was like, I looked at the menu for Cheesecake Factory and they look like they got good food. And me and my husband realized we didn't never take her. So we ended up going to Cheesecake Factory, child. Moral of the story is you probably don't need to take her there at all because the food wasn't good. She got dessert which she liked, but the pasta wasn't hitting on nothing. So yeah, and after that we ended up going to Disney Springs, which was in the Disney area, and just walked around sightseeing, and it was a really nice experience because they have live bands there. They have like 4 or 5 live bands. And just different types of entertainment and things going on as you walk around. You can do shopping, again, like you said, sightseeing. We went to the Coca-Cola store. Which I wasn't hitting on none. I guess you could taste the Coca-Cola, but we didn't even do all of that because we've been to Coca-Cola in Atlanta, so we wasn't pressed to do that. But it was just a nice little, get out, hang out. We actually met up with my husband's cousin who lives in Orlando, and she ended up taking us to this spot. So it was really nice to end the night. And that's basically all we did after that, y'all. We went home, got in the bed because we was tired. And then we're going to try again for day 2. All right, girl. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. Be blessed.
Bubbles. Oh, it's red white.
Well, they probably not from here. Come on, we following them. That's a drum. Come on here. Why we split up? We're not splitting up, but we following your dad.
You was on that way. Show your viewers how you want them to get anything. Show them how you treat me.
Stop.
Yeah.
having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.